Hi everyone, welcome back to nyizawtech. Now I'm going to share with you how to install and use VKontakte step by step. Let's get started. Open Google browser in your mobile phone. In the search area, type VKontakte. Tap on install. Again, tap on install. When you finish installing, tap on open. There are two options. 1. Create call and 2. Join call via link. Tap on create call. Click on continue. Tap on allow. Again, tap on allow. Tap on start call. Tap on allow. You can share the call link and set up participants access. When finish call, just tap on leave call or end call for everyone. And you can create schedule and can join other call as well if you get the link. When you tap on call, you can select call as your page or communities or your account. After selecting, just tap on start call. You can also use different reaction. That's all my friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.